game. It's a lifestyle. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Now, on our previous episodes, we've always had a real sneaker comparing with a fake sneaker, and we had both of them on hand, and then we could take a look at which one is real and which one is fake in the comparison. But what if you're like at home and you only have one pair of sneakers and you don't know if it's real or not? So today I'm going to show you 5 points on how to tell a real one to a fake one. And to do that, I went outside and bought a brand new Air Jordan 4 Alternate 89. Now this is a brand new colorway and is Nike's take on what happens if there was a PE or player exclusive back in 1989. It's a red and white colorway that signifies the home games for the Chicago Bulls. So what I'm going to show you now is specific for this model and shouldn't be used for other Air Jordans because of course they're all different. So let's begin. Now for most Air Jordans, you can always tell a real and a fake one by of course looking at the logo. Now for this one, you can see on the back there's a big Air Jordan logo right here, the Jumpman logo, and if you want to see if it's real or not, you can take a look at his hands. You'll be able to see the fingers of this Jumpman logo. Most fake ones don't have it. It would just be like a flat surface. Now for the second point, most Air Jordan 4s have this little webbing here that's specific for this shoe, and then underneath the webbing is a fabric. Now if you want to tell if it's a real or fake one, you can just rub your hands across it and see if the webbing is close to the fabric. And this one is of course pretty tight to it. A fake one would be really loose, and then you can see the separation between them. This one is nice and tight. Now for my third point, I'm going to take a look at the insole, because one way of telling if it's a real or fake Jordan is by looking at the insole. Now, as you can see, the insole here for the Air Jordan 4 Alternate 89 is a solid dark gray color. For fake AJ4s, it has this like light white color with like speckles on it. It looks like it's recycled. Next, now that I've taken out the insole, I can take a look inside the shoe. If you want to see if it's a real or a fake AJ4, usually when you put the shoe up to natural light, you can see the light going through the bottom of this shoe. This one I can see lights here, but with the fake one, you can barely see any light going through it. It's very dark. Now to my last point, you can always tell a fake and real one by looking at the bottom of the shoe. When you take out the insole, there should be some red writing in there. Now I have to say that all the points that I talked about today is specific for this Air Jordan 4 Alternate 89, and I hope you guys learned a little something about it. But if you guys want to get a more detailed look, you can go on our WeChat and we'll have a blog that compares an actual real one to a fake one. Now since this is our first episode of 2016, I'm hoping that everybody will have a good year out there, because I know that Air Jordan 4 will definitely have a good year because there are many colorways coming out this year. If you guys enjoy our show, please subscribe to us and check me out next time to see what I got.